everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is week 6 here for the hair growth challenge results. Yes, I'm happy to be back. I missed that week last week, and actually this video was supposed to be posted up on Monday, but I could not upload the video for whatever reason, so I had to make another one. So here we are with week 6. Yay! Yeah, so okay, so let's get started. So yeah, I skipped the week doing the garlic and the oil because I had people over and I just didn't want to smell like roasted garlic. It's not a good smell unless you cook it. I didn't want to smell like that, so I skipped it. I don't know if you guys saw my other video, but I skipped it. And yeah, so I did it for the next week and I feel good. My scalp feels tingly. I do see, I'm not going to say I see more hair loss, more, imagine that. No, then this would not be the challenge for me. We don't want any more hair loss, do we? So I didn't see any more hair growth, but I tell you, I've been taking this brush, look, it's got hair in it, don't mind it. See with these little rounds little thingies here, so they don't hurt my scalp, and I would easily just, you know, brush in my hair. It feels so good on my scalp. I did get a little abrasion over here. I don't know if you could see. I don't know what that was from, but whatever. But my hair, my scalp to me looks thicker. I don't know. It doesn't seem as visible. My hair back here especially, like if you can see, I'm going to put my before, or maybe a video, I don't know, over here. Maybe you'll see like a video or something. I don't know. I'm getting into the editing things, so you might see like things pop up, like an old video of my hair over here. I'm just learning this whole video, this whole editing thing, so hopefully I can do that. But I think it looks so much better. I have a long while to go. I mean, I know, but you know what? Even if it stayed like this, I would be happy. Like if I can just maintain this, I would be okay, because I have come to terms with that. I have hair loss and I wear toppers, and you know, to me it's like my everyday thing. Like I can't even imagine not wearing something on my hair. To me it's like an accessory, you know? It's like putting on earrings. I feel like when you put on Zala hoops, just everything is better. The world is a better place. So yeah, when I put on my toppers, I feel better. And even if I had a full head of hair, I think I would have to put on like a little addition, even if it was like my No Track Frontal. I just think just for fullness. But I don't know. Who knows, right? Who knows? Maybe when I do, when I get my hair back, I won't even go near the toppers. But who knows? But anyway, I'm hoping that you guys are doing great. I hope that your hair is growing, and I've noticed that my hair, look how long my hair, and it's like frizzy now because I washed it, but my hair has gotten so, it's gotten so long. Even like if I straightened it, it comes down to here, which I'm gonna cut it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. I don't like it so long, but it feels so much better. And even though it's frizzy, my hair just seems stronger. It feels shinier. It just feels better when I put my fingers through it. Yes, it does. So, yeah. I don't know. So, we'll see what happens. But that is my story. I'm sticking to it. I'm going to put my No Track Frontal on. Can't forget the clip. These are my two. these are my two main, like if I needed to be stuck on an island, it would be my clip and it would be my No Track Frontal. This is the 16-inch, okay? So let me show you guys. For those, I mean, I know a lot of you have been on my channel for quite a few years, so you know exactly what I'm going to do now. But I'm going to show you how I conceal this. I do this all the time. Okay, see, you can see through my head. You can, wow, it does look thicker. What? It does look thicker. Okay, so this is what I do. Take a brush, brush it down a little bit, brush it down. Okay, right? Take a No Track Frontal, unplug it. You hear me? Unclip it, put it on. I can't even see what I'm doing because I don't have a mirror in front of me, right? And then you take your hair and you do that, and it just makes the hair in the front so much thicker. you can actually put these clipping things, the No-Track frontals, on the sides of your head, in the back, if you have balding in the back. I just think that they're wonderful. Such a wonderful piece. I can't even tell if it's on the correct way. I don't know, because I'm looking through the camera's viewfinder. And of course, I do this, but you know what? Sometimes I haven't been wearing my glasses. I know. It's kind of weird. But, and that's it, and I'm ready for the day. Put on some dollar hoops, and we're ready to go out. Yes, don't forget, also, while I'm here talking to you all, don't forget we have the giveaway tomorrow for the Charlie 6x6 topper. I wish I can keep her. I swear to God. I swear. I wish I can keep her. Even though I have a million toppers of my own, I love it. There's nothing like a brand new topper coming out of a box, and look at that. Oh, you don't know how bad I just want to put this on. Yeah, I wish you all luck in this giveaway, and I can't wait to announce the winner. I have no idea who the winner is yet, and yeah, so keep on the lookout for that video tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my update. I feel very, very good. I also have my lashes on. I call them my eye wigs, right? Because they're wigs for my eyes, right? So I'm going to do a video. Look for that video. Also, I am going to be doing Monday Live. Yes, Mondays, probably around 10 a.m. I'm going to do live streams on YouTube. Yeah, I'm excited about that. And then, because I'm on Weight Watchers, I figured I'd do like a Weight Watchers Wednesday. Either be like a recipe or, you know, whatever, just talking about the plan itself. If anybody wants information on these pieces, please, I'll put my email down below, or if you have me on Facebook, connect on Facebook. If you don't have my Facebook will be down below. One thing about these, I was informed that only the 8 inches, this is 16 inches, only the 8 inches are available at this time. If you want to pre-order the 14 and the 16, they'll be available at the end of April, but you can pre-order them now. They are going to go fast. So email me, let me know if you want them. If you need a color chart and pricing, I will be happy to give it to you. And yeah, that's it. So I hope everyone has a great day. I hope you guys' hair is growing, and I'll see you week 7, which is next Monday. Okay, guys? Bye. Yee. Oh, you thought I left. No, I didn't. Yeah, okay, I'm leaving.